Good morning, children. Today we will solve our practice science 16p. Problem number 4. Sorry, problem number 3. In problem number 3, you have given a table, and in this table, length, breadth, and height. Given that, you have to find out volume. So you know that volume is equal to V is equal to L into V into H. Length into breadth into height. Then also given that L is equal to 0.7 meter into B is equal to 0.5 meter given that into H is equal to given that 0.6 meter. Okay. Then you have to multiply these are all quantities. Then 6 5 are 30, 37 are 210. And now 1 2 3. After 3 decimal, after 3 digit, you have to take decimal. Meter cube. Okay, so this is your solution. You have to also fill here 0.210 meter cube. Okay, in problem number 3, part A. This is the part A. So you have to fill all these parts as thus. Okay, now again we have to solve problem number 4. In problem number 4, you have given that a volume of container is so centimeter cube, with the breadth of container is 67 centimeter and height is 32 meter. Find its length. Then you know that P is equal to L into B into H, length into breadth into height. Then here breadth of the container and height, given that you have to find out L. So L is equal to V upon B into H. Okay, so from here we find length is equal to V, given that here V is equal to given that V is equal to 190,816 1,90,816 centimeter cube upon B into H. B given that breadth 67. And also here he has given that height 32. You have to divide this by this centimeter, and into centimeter is equal to centimeter square. The centimeter square you cancel. Here you find L is equal to 190,816 upon 67 into 32 in centimeter. Okay, so you have to divide this and you have to solve this, and you will find your answer again. Okay. Here 2 16 are 32, 2 8 2 9 are 18, sorry, 2 9 are 18. Here remain 1 1 0 10, 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8. Here remain 0, 2 8 are 16. Now again you have to also cancel this and you will find your answer. Okay. Next, here given that problem number 5. In problem number 5, you have given that find the height of a cuboid whose length and breadth are 15 meter and 20 meter respectively. The volume of cuboid is given that. Okay. So you know that B is equal to L into B into H, and here we have to find H. So from here H is equal to V upon L into B, length into breadth. Okay. So here volume given that volume is equal to 1800 meter cube, 1800 meter cube upon B into H. B into H given that 15 meter and 20 meter. 15 meter into 20 meter. So from here we find 1800 upon 15 into 20 meter. Okay, this is the height. Then from here 0 0 cancel. 2 9 is 18, 2 0 0. From here H is equal to 90 upon 15. Then 15 6 is 90. Then H is equal to 6 meter. This is your required solution. 6 meter height. Again. Here given that problem number 6. In problem number 6 given that a cubic tank of size 5 meter is to be filled with water. How much volume of water is required to fill it? Find the volume of in liters. Okay. So here a cubic tank, the tank is cubic. So the side is 5 meter given that, and we have to fill the cubic tank. So the volume implies that volume of the cubic tank, volume of the cubic tank is equal to side cube, is equal to 5 meter cube is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5 25, 5 125 meter cube. Okay. Now again here given that find out the volume in liters. Hint given that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Also we have given that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So here 125 meter cube is equal to 125 meter cube is equal to 125 into 1000 liter. Okay, is equal to 125,000. Okay, liter. Okay, so this is the volume. Again, this is the solution of this problem. Again here given that problem number 7. In problem number 7, Ramesh has a pond of length, breadth and depth so and so given respectively in his house. Now he wants to close it. Find out the volume of mud he required to cover it. Okay. So from here you have given that length given that 25 meter, and also here breadth given that breadth is equals to 12 meter, and depth is equal to given that depth is equal to 10 meter. Okay, so he wants to close it. Find the volume of mud he required to cover it. The volume of the mud is equal to the volume of the pond. The volume of the mud of the required mud is equal to volume of the pond. Okay, so from here is equal to volume of the pond. Volume of the pond is equal to L into B into H. Then I will given that 25 meter, B is equal to 12 meter, and H is equal to 10 meter. Given that, then from here we find from here 25 times 250 into 12 meter cube is equal to 12 0 0, 12 5 60 06, 12 to the 24 6, 30 meter cube. Okay, so this is the volume of the required mud. Now time is over. We stop our writing, and you have to also try to solve problem number 8 to 12. Okay. So now today we stop our writing. Time is over. Thank you, children. And next day we have to solve our check your progress. You have to try to solve your check your progress.